English. What's on my my young as the Kunisa. So Namka and Kombelam subscribe and before Malawol. And so based because only at the last video then we uploaded it. Ita lose what my sound. No logo can upload the course now. Develop you. The that. That's one. And the plus network like I hope. So no nakwala like the votes like MLFM. Nakum Shamsela why these guys are getting so much votes in a short period of time. The votes later are secretary about good payment and vote. You're not the one guys who are voting. The vote later, let me give you an example. If artist, for example, the likes of Mr. Post, he nominated for award and they nominated for 3 awards. But these managers who are from their pockets and says, guys, let's invest and vote for Mr. Post. I go by Shaba airtime 4,000. I take a lot. Airtime 4,000. 7,000 votes. I take a lot. They used to take a lot much because take a lot at discount at the airtime base. Shaba airtime you don't have to go. That's what. So by Shaba airtime, I take a lot. Nika any store laying discounted. If you see about voted there. But the room is to push like a 5,000, like a 6,000. And if you don't believe me, with these on them, let's go back. But the last Song Music Awards that record. What happened with Joe Sherman? Joe Sherman double Mr. Post Abba Benny Ubiban Motal. Before that, Noxan Lena management are better. What's a Abba Joe na Benny. Song of the most popular song of the Simzele and also now Sandlane is struggling on banner management. Joyce Romano and Balina was Steve man, Steve Makongel. So you see, Maswana who the Malility Tata Steve Makongel now invested. Come Mr. Post. Now for them is the post to meet her. To meet her and still am gonna me and be favor good manager and see Namrande was. But no look must do no stranger and a village villain look on Balaula shouldn't give a wool in some life. But then Mr. Post to apply got to meter music and the meter music and invest and maybe take a 5,000 in Hillis. I have a time, let's distribute this at time. I have to in Mr. Post. So that's the reason why Joyce man I don't take win because it doesn't have that marketing team anymore. The reason why Honest Matala is not even there, I think the reason why Joyce Romani, Sandlane are struggling to get votes Cash Song Music Awards 16 is because the management is no more there. You see? So management, you don't have to airtime, you push. That's one. Unless otherwise, got the issues stuff and Oscar Macam or Son Macam. Because that Oscar Macam doesn't read. Oscar Macam management. Son Macam, the reason why I read the full total. That's because Son Macam of the local category one. Most of them are nominated for 3 categories. But then let me warn you. This is my last point. Let me warn you. Like MLFM, it's the but then the reason why we take what I dinner kuhlayela audience the votes it is 6 ta March kubeti kutakugina ku vote wa swigina at 11 swanye get a chance from the 6th to the 11th kuendla swin'wana swa silava ku ti vote n'wini I want to nyika un'wana un'wana. And if they wanted to be open with you to that extent ya ku loko se ya ka dawa de ba kha stop man anga win because ba combat the vote no after ba combat the votes until the 11 ba mara when until last day but then aba when this one because ba stop wala ko nyika thum ta vona vangana va vo so nge wala vul mara ti music labels leti ti nga ku ena ta award hambiri number chile but u tsazo ya tlakula award le tsanini umegyan Giantsanin, but the Takul for Steva Damana Sherna 104 votes before Bafala votes Kubanga Kombikaban Marai within a period of 6 months. Say she was going. But anyways, I'm not to blame. but yi so laveka mi nga rivali ku subscribe kwalaho i manyanga zi tikumisa kungume a heleni so a hi twananeni ku before me nghena ka 10,000 subscribers because naswo ri kula ne mi tlhela mi ta the rest ti 10 ta April the 10 ta April mi ta the rest lodge lineup hinkwayo yi ta va yi kha yi huma switsongotsongo mi ta heta tiphina laha kahle na mi hleketa ku humesa singila mi ta yi twa kwalaha no bule chapchapa